1st April was 21. The ISET Limited entered into contract to construct and manufacturing facility of a Mint Limited and a fixed consideration for 30 lakhs. ISET Limited can earn an incentive of 3.7 lakh if the construction is completed in 24 months. ISET Limited expect the cost to be 16.5 lakhs at the inception of this contract. ISET Limited determines that the contract contains single performance obligation satisfied over time. Asset Limited can also conclude that it is highly probable that significant reversal in the amount of cumulative revenue recognition will occur on the completion of the manufacturing facility and is highly susceptible to factor outside the company's inflation due to exceptionally high rainfall in that region. Okay. மழை பெய்யும். We can't stop. We can't do the project. So 31st March asset limit has satisfied 65% of the performance obligation on the basis of the cost incurred on the day and conclude that the viable consideration of still constrained due to uncertain weather condition. On 15th April, the contract is modified. The fixed consideration was enhanced to 2.25 lakhs and expected cost increased to 1.2 lakhs. The contract period is also extended 6 months. ESET Limited now concludes that it is highly probably that the incentive award will be achieved. The contract remains a single performance obligation and compute the following for financial year 2023, the revenue of the contract, cost and resultant profit. Additional revenue catch-up adjustment on the date of modification of 15th month. Okay. So first you want to do the contract percentage completed, cost incurred, and what is the profit. Incentive is not there. Then after the next step only incentive to be added. This is the procedure. So year one financial year 21-22. In this case, the contract inception is that limited will exclude the performance or bonus of 3,70,000 because that's not completed from the transaction price because it is concluded that there is a high probability that the significant reversal of the amount of cumulative revenue recognition will occur as the completion of the manufacturing facility is highly susceptible in factors outside the entity's influence. That is, like exceptional high rainfall in that region. So transaction cost 13 lakhs, expected cost is 16 lakhs, or 13 lakh 50,000 is expected profit. So out of that profit and consideration is 31st March, the ascertain the variable consideration performance bonus has concluded that the amount is still uncertain. As per paragraph 56, 58 of Ind AS 115, half I, the cumulative revenue of cost recognized for the year ended 31st March will be 65 percentage of the contract 19 lakh 50,000, total cost 10 lakhs, resultantly profit 8 lakh 77,000. Um, how do you got this 30 lakhs now? Yeah, capital 30 lakhs into 65 percentage is 19 lakh 50,000, 16 lakh 50,000 65 percentage is 10 lakh 75,000. Okay. Into 30 lakhs into 30 percentage of 16 lakh 50,000 you would know, you'll get this answer. The profit இதில் வந்து 65 percentage போட்டா you'll get 8 lakh 56,000. Second year, 15th April, the Mint Limited agreed to modify the contract. As a result, the fixed consideration expected cost increased to 2 lakh 25,000 and 1,20,000 respectively. Fixed consideration and the expected cost is increased by 2,25,000 and 1,20,000 respectively. The date of modification is that since the Z Limited is concluded highly probable the incentive amount will be achieved, we will achieve the incentive amount. It has include incentive amount of 3,75,000 as a transaction price. Therefore, the total potential consideration for modification is 36 lakhs as include 32 lakh 25,000 plus 3 lakh 75,000 performance bonus. Total estimate cost is 17 lakh 70,000. That is 16,000 is 150,000. So 116 lakh 50,000 plus 1 lakh 20,000. Total cost has been increased now by 1 lakh 20,000. Hmm. 36 lakhs. Transaction price from 30 lakhs to 36 lakhs. Why 36 lakhs? 32 lakh 20,000 fixed consideration plus 3 lakh 70,000 bonus. So, yeah, okay. 2 lakh 25,000 increment thing is also we going to add now. So 2 lakh 25,000 plus performance for 3 lakh 75,000 na 6 lakhs. So 36 lakhs. Further, since the modified contract remains, so 30 lakhs plus 2 lakh 25,000 increase in cost plus the assurance of 3 lakh 75,000 bonus. The totally cost to 36 lakhs. This has been said. Cost has been increased to 1 lakh 20,000. The further the sin is the modified contract remains a single performance obligation is at limited will account for a contractual contract modification. That is, if any part of the original contract is accordance with the para 21B of Ind AS, is at limited will update the measure of progress and estimate the date of modification and cumulative catch-up of adjustment as follow. A total potential consideration 36 lakhs. Actual cost incurred 10 lakh 72,000. Expected cost to complete 17 lakh 70,000. The percentage of performance obligation 60.6. How B by C. Actual cost incurred total exam. So B by C போட்டோம்னா 50%. So revenue recognized till date 19 lakhs. So additional revenue to be recognized A into D. Total potential minus actual cost 19,000. So 2 lakh 31,600 to be additional cost to be recognized. You understand it now? You want to do that? 10 lakh 70,000 additional. Then expected cost to complete is increased. How 16 lakh 50,000 minus 10 lakh 72,000 plus 1 lakh 20,000, 6 lakh 98,000. Like 50,000 plus 1 lakh 20,000 on the 17 lakh 70,000. 16 lakh 50,000 plus 1 lakh 20,000, 7 lakh 20,000, 7 lakh 70,000. Actual cost incurred இவ்வளவுதான். So actual cost to total cost percentage 60% we have completed. Another thing we need to complete is only 39.3 percentage. 39.4 percentage. 39.4 percentage to complete is for the complete what is the addition for that what is the revenue we need to see. That's it. 60 percentage we need to increase the revenue recognition. Mm. Super.